Hey guys, welcome back to Beamer PhD. I'm your host Tim, and today we're working on a 2005 BMW 330i Coupe. This is an E46 chassis. The customer has opted to replace the headlights with this set from the internet online, and they've taken it to a previous shop and have not been able to successfully get the headlights to work. The customer's concerned as the driver's headlight does not operate. Now when we got it, well, let me explain. There's three parts to these xenon lights. There's the control module, in which this is where the power is coming to. The control module gets the voltage from the car, then sends the signal on over to the igniter, and then the igniter has to be correctly fitted onto the bulb right here, which the bulb goes inside the housing. Now when we got it, when we started on this job, we noticed that this igniter was not properly fitted. So it has to be fitted and locked into place in order for the electrical connector to go in. If it's not locked into place, the electrical connector will not go in. Okay, so here's what we did so far. This was the alleged driver's side that was not working. One by one, we transferred the bulb to the passenger side, and it worked. The igniter to the passenger side, it worked. And finally, the control module to the passenger side, and it worked. So we know that all three of these components are functioning correctly. The headlight housing itself is the main reason why it's not working. Now all of the parts that were on the driver's side are in the passenger side, and you can see the passenger headlight works. We've tested with a meter, and we know we're getting 14 volts to the electrical connector and a solid ground. And one final test to confirm our results. We'll go ahead and unplug the passenger side housing, which has verified all of the parts. Plug that into the driver's side. And we verify that this housing works. So all the parts have been swapped over and are working correctly. It looks like at this point we'll probably have to send this back to the customer so that they can return these aftermarket headlights. It's always best to put OEM headlights. That way we verify it's a good fitment and all of the parts work, not just momentarily, but long-term wise. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.